Hey everyone, welcome to another video from the ML Hub. I am Sriniwas and we were getting so many requests regarding the cutoffs and timelines for different M.Tech programs in these IITs that we have for GATE Computer Science. So in this video, we will be discussing about these things for GATE Computer Science 2025. So let's get started. So the first one is IISc Bangalore. And IISc Bangalore is offering M.Tech in Computer Science and Engineering CSE with total of 62 seats. You can check out the link and brochure. So the forms are the deadline is already over for the forms. So if you had a very good GATE score around greater than 850 or so, then you are eligible for this program and you should apply for this. So the interesting part is there is no written test or interview for this program. They are taking directly with the GATE score. So last year's cutoff were generally like this for 2024. Student with general category, if had the last student with general category with score of 892 got an offer for this program. The second one is M.Tech in AI with total 36 seats. So since although it is a dedicated program for data science and AI, but they do allow computer science folks for this program. You can check out the link and brochure. So as I said, both GATE CS as well as DA students are eligible for this program. So the criteria will be 70% with the GATE score and 30% written test. So you have to write a test in order to grab a seat in this program. So the syllabus for this test will be mathematics part, calculus, linear algebra and probability. And these are the cutoffs for CSE. So since they do allow multiple GATE scores, but we have noticed that the cutoff for CSE students is slightly more compared to the DA folks. So they do prefer DA students, but CS students can also apply for this program. Okay. And the third one is M.Tech in Computational and Data Science CDS. So this CDS program also allows GATE Computer Science score. They have total 24 seats and you can check out the link and brochure. So the eligibility wise, basic BTech or equivalent degree of 4-year program is sufficient, and yeah, computer science as well as DA students are eligible for this program. But you need to see that criteria wise they also have an interview along with a written test. So you have to write a written test and then you have to appear for an interview in order to take a seat at IISc for this CDS program. Syllabus wise, basic mathematics, linear algebra, calculus and probability is sufficient, and along with that programming and DSA for the interviews and as well as the written test. So cutoff wise, this is the cutoffs for CSE students. So if you have a very good GATE score greater than equal to 850, then you can expect that if you do well in written test and interview, you can grab a seat in CDS program in IISc. Alright, so let's see the next one. So the second in the list is IITB. So IITB is offering both M.Tech as well as MS program for masters. So the first one is M.Tech in Computer Science. So they have total 90 to 100 seats in this program. Direct admission, no interview, no test. You can check out the link and brochure. Forms are live now and the deadline is 7th of April. Eligibility wise, if you have a valid GATE score above 750, you are eligible for this program. And yeah, as I said earlier, direct admissions. So this is the best part, and cutoffs are not available over their website. But if you have a very good GATE score around greater than 850 or 860, you will grab a seat in this program at IITB. Second one is MS by research. So this has few different subcategories. So you can have a TA or you can be an RA in this program. RA is again a 3-year program, and difference wise, the curriculum wise there is no much difference, but TA-ship work won't be there in RA and you will be working on a project along with the professor. So, and at the same time both TA and TAP is also both are pretty much similar, but the only difference is TAP is a student will work on a sponsored project in a TAP program. Okay, that's it. And same goes for RA and RAP. So seat allocation, they have total 36 seats for TA in MS research program, and RA is totally project specific. So every year they, based on their requirement, they release a list of projects in which they will be offering MS under this category, which is RA. So you can check out the link and brochure. Deadline is same. The forms are live now. Deadline is 7th of April. So yeah, the important thing is they will take a written test. So you have to write a written test in order to grab a seat in MS research program. And project wise, so if you like, they have already released the list of projects that they have, and this year they have total 13 projects. So you can check out the project details over here, over their website. And syllabus wise, so there is no common syllabus for all these projects for this program. So syllabus wise, they have distributed the MS stream into 3 sub streams. The first one is computing systems, the second one is intelligent systems, the third one is theoretical systems. So computing system comprise of 2 subcategories, CS1 and CS2, so which is software engineering, compilers, programming languages, and system softwares and security, okay, which is computing systems. The second one is intelligent systems. So this is intelligent system is AI/ML domain, and with 3 subcategories. IS1 is NLP and speech, IS2 is AI/ML with learning agents. So like students who are interested in reinforcement learning and agents, how they work, can opt for a project under IS2 subcategory, okay. And IS3 is visual computing, so image processing, CNNs, all these comes under this IS3 category, okay. And the third one is theoretical systems, which has 2 subcategories, TS1 and TS2. TS1 is algorithms and cryptography, and TS2 is formal methods. So formal method is basically discrete mathematics, TOC, all these subjects. So curriculum wise, CS1 is compilers and software engineering. So software engineering is the one which you need to prepare in order to write a test for CS1. For CS2, basic gate computer science courses, along with that security and blockchain. So these are the 2 additional subjects that you need to prepare if you are going for a written test for CS2 category. For intelligent systems, 3 IS1. IS1 is NLP, speech, which is like the mathematics part of all these will be the same: calculus, linear algebra, and probability. So all 3 subcategories, IS1, IS2 and IS3, the mathematics will be common. Along with that, specifically for IS1, you have to prepare for algorithms, machine learning basics, speech and natural language processing. That's it. For IS2 is more inclined to reinforcement learning, so you have to prepare for graphs, stochastic multi-arm bandits, strategic multi-agent systems, and learning for structured outputs. So these additional 4 subjects you need to prepare in order to appear for a written test, in order to do well in the written test of a project under IS2 subcategory, okay. So the third one is IS3, which is visual computing, and mathematics is common. Along with that, additional thing is image processing and computer graphics. So you have to prepare for these 2 additional subjects for IS3, okay. Third one is theoretical systems, TS1 and TS2. TS1 is algorithms, discrete maths and all is okay. Probability, these are the gate computer science syllabus only. So like if you want to opt for TS1, then do revise gate CS syllabus. For it is not TS1, it is TS2. So for TS2, it is formal methods and TOC, discrete structures, algorithms, and basics of programming and logic is sufficient in order to prepare for the written test of these formal methods. So, and IITB do offer MS in research in data science and AI, and computer science folks are eligible for this program. They have total 25 seats, 20 for TA and 5 for RA. You can check out the links and details over here. And deadline is again 7th of April. Eligibility wise, yeah, CS is allowed, DA is also allowed. But since this program is dedicated, this program is specifically for AI students, data science students. So cutoff wise, like the cutoff for DA students will be slightly less compared to the computer science, but they do allow CS students. And in order to prepare, you have to write written test, as well as like there will be an interview and a written test for this program. You can check out the syllabus over here. It is given over their website, and it is more inclined towards the gate data science curriculum. But if you prepare for calculus, linear algebra, probability, algorithms, ML and engineering core is an optional for CS and DA both. So the next is IIT Delhi. IIT Delhi is offering M.Tech in CSE, and in general, like they will be having around approximately 40 seats in this program. So forms are live now. You can check the link and brochure for this program. Deadline is 7th of April. So be fast, be quick in order to apply for this program. Eligibility wise, all okay. Basic 4-year B.Tech BE equivalent degree is sufficient, and they will take interviews. So along with the GATE score, you have to appear for an interview in order to grab a seat here. Interviews will be May or June, and syllabus will be the entire GATE exam syllabus. So the second one is MS by research. So CSY, there is a research program for computer science students. Seats are not disclosed over their website, so we don't have that much idea regarding how many students they will take for this MS program. But yeah, you can check the link and brochure. Deadline is same. Deadline is 7th of April. So be quick. So same for this program as well. They will take interviews. So you have to prepare for the entire GATE computer science syllabus in order to do well for the interviews in this program. Cutoffs are not mentioned over their website for MS. Yeah, so they do offer another program, M.Tech in machine learning and data science minds. The course code is AIB. So approximately they will be having around 30 seats in this program. Link and brochure you can check. Deadline is same, which is 7th of April, and a valid GATE score is eligible. So this program is both for data science students as well as computer science students. So both can apply in this program. And same as with the similar programs in IIT Delhi, they will take an interview. For computer science, you have to prepare for computer science and basic machine learning and AI courses to do well for the interviews, and data science folks is all sorted. There you have to prepare your entire GATE DA curriculum. And yeah, here's the cutoff, 720 general score. You can grab a seat if you have a GATE score greater than or equal to 720. Okay, if you do well in the interviews. The next one is IIT Madras. IIT Madras is offering M.Tech in computer science. Total they have 47 seats with TA-ship, no seat without TA-ship. You can check out the link and brochure. Deadline is 27th of April. And the best part is direct admissions. So you don't have to write any written exam or appear for interviews. You can directly apply based on GATE score and grab a seat. So if you have a good GATE score greater than 850 or greater than 840, do apply for this program. Next is IIT Kanpur. IIT Kanpur do offer M.Tech in computer science. They have total 40 seats. So you can check out the link and brochure. Dates are not yet disclosed, so but you have to keep on checking their websites. Eligibility wise, all okay, and they since it is a dedicated CS program, so CS folks are anyway allowed. Along with that, DA guys can also apply for this program. So criteria is GATE score, and they will take a written test and a programming test. Programming test is pretty simpler. If you have a decent programming skills, you will be able to crack this programming test, and you have to go for a written test as well. So syllabus for written test is over their website. You can check out the link. Syllabus is entire computer science GATE syllabus is sufficient. Okay, so if you have already prepared and have a decent score, these core subjects you have prepared well. So do keep on revising these subjects, and yeah, then test and programming, written test and programming test won't be a big deal for you guys. Okay, the next is Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur is offering M.Tech in computer science. They have total 84 seats in this program. You can check out the link and brochure. The tentative dates are they will be start taking applications around second to third week of April, and criteria is not that hard. The best part is they are taking direct admissions, so no interviews, nothing. Just apply directly with your GATE score and grab a seat. If you have a GATE score around this, if you have a GATE score around 770 or above, you will definitely get a seat at M.Tech computer science program at IIT Kharagpur. The next is M.Tech in AI. So they have 30 seats, but CS folks are allowed for this program. You can check out the link and brochure. Dates wise is also similar to the other programs at IIT Kharagpur. So CPI won't be a big deal. Greater than 6 is sufficient, and again direct admissions. So since this program allows both CS and DA students, but they will prefer data science students. But if you are applying for CS, you can apply because they are allowing. Cutoff wise, this is the cutoffs for CSE students. The next is IIT Roorkee's M.Tech in computer science and engineering program. Around there will be 40 to 45 seats in this program. You can check out the link and brochure over their website. The links are given here. Dates are not yet disclosed, but you can expect it around second week of April. The best part, eligibility is okay, greater than or equal to 60%, greater than or equal to 6 CPI is sufficient. Criteria is a very good thing. Direct admission, nothing, no interviews, no written test, directly apply with your gate score and grab a seat. Cutoffs are not mentioned over their website, so we do not have that data regarding the cutoffs, but Roorkee, Kharagpur, the cutoffs will be pretty much similar. Next, IIT Roorkee do offer two more programs, M.Tech in AI and M.Tech in data science, around total 54 seats. But since it is dedicated program to data science students, they have also allowed computer science guys, but they do prefer DA students over CS. But you can apply with a valid GATE computer science score. Okay, and again direct admission, no interviews, nothing. The next is IIT Guwahati. IIT Guwahati do offer M.Tech computer science program. They have total around 68 seats in this program. You can check out the link in brochure. The forms are live now. Deadline is 27th of April. So do check out if you want to apply for this program at IIT Guwahati. Another program, M.Tech in robotics and AI, they have total 30 seats, but computer science students are eligible for this program. Deadline is same. You can check out the link in brochure over their website. The third one, which is M.Tech in data science, again 20 seats, and computer science students are allowed for this program. Deadline is 27th of April. Yeah, gate score, CS and DA both are allowed. And again since these programs are dedicatedly designed for data science students, but at the same time they are allowing computer science folks. But you have to take this into account that the cutoffs for data science, cutoff for GATE DA score will be slightly less compared to the cutoff for CSE students. Okay, and again direct admission, the best thing. The next is IIT BHU. IIT BHU offers again the M.Tech program for computer science, and in CSE they offer M.Tech in CSE with specialization in AI and IoT. Total they have 40 seats. Again, this is both computer science and DA students are eligible for this program, but CS students are preferred because this is dedicatedly the computer science course. Direct admission, no interviews, nothing. Directly apply and grab a seat at M.Tech program in CSE at IIT BHU. Yeah, so other opportunities. So since it is very difficult to cover all the colleges that offer M.Tech program for GATE CSE students, so what we have done is, for simplicity, we have aggregated the entire data in a spreadsheet. So we will be adding the link in the description. So do check it out. All the resources used in this video are already there along with the references in that sheet. And over the course of next few weeks, we will be keep on updating that sheet based on the data that we gather for different M.Tech programs for computer science students for the remaining IITs and the NITs that we have. Okay, so do check that out. Yeah, so that's all for this video. That's our motto: train, learn and conquer. So for this year onwards, we are offering a dedicated course for the aspirants who are preparing for GATE DA targeting 2026 and 2027. So you can check out the details over our YouTube channel. If you are new here, do subscribe to the channel, and we will start taking registrations soon. Okay, all right. Happy learning.